No, look, difficult game for us, thought the result, in the first half was very even. Both teams had chances and they got us to score. But in the second half, we did a mistake. We couldn't hit a goal. And after the 5 minutes, we are with 10 men. They also for a simple mistake. And after that, with 10 minutes, it was ridiculous. Everything happened to us. It wasn't our day. We had a wrong ball. We had many mistakes. When you have these mistakes, football is better than usually.
Pertandingan yang sangat sulit ya buat kita. Ya, tapi di babak pertama sebetulnya pertandingan lumayan berimbang. Kedua tim sama-sama memiliki banyak peluang, tapi di babak kedua kita melakukan banyak kesalahan sendiri yang akhirnya masukkan. Terlebih lagi setelah 5 menit berikutnya dia bilang kita bermain dengan 10 pemain dan itu makin menambah kesulitan buat kita dan akhirnya kita masukkan 4 gol dan ini hasil pertandingan.
Andre?
Nggak mau terlalu banyak komentar, intinya kita perbaiki lagi karena tadi kita juga udah berusaha semaksimal mungkin. Kemudian setelah kegolalan pertama mungkin agak sedikit hilang fokus dan ditambah lagi kita kekurangan pemain, 10 pemain itu sulit menurut saya.
Song today play as a central defender because we had many injuries and suspension. And after training this week, we decided to put Song as a central defender to try to have a good build-up and try to build from the back as the way that we play our football. And I think that he did quite well. Of course, we know that he's not a central defender, but he has been in this position, knowing that when we recover players, we can do some defenders, we can Natur also suspended, we can also cardiac injury. For the result today, we use Song as a central defender.
Kesan pertama ya karena banyak pemain di lini belakang itu kita cedera, ada Dusan, Kate dan Catur juga yang kena suspend. Dusan itu kena suspend. Terus kenapa milih Song juga karena dia pikir Song bagus dalam melakukan build up dan itu membantu sebetulnya. Saya berpikir Song akan membantu tim ini dengan bagus dengan kualitasnya dan dia bisa melakukan build up itu dengan bagus. Terus ya lumayan bagus sebetulnya Song di posisi itu.
I think Paulo played a decent game. He tried. We don't have many chances. Nothing to say about him. But I think that he is the player that because he don't play well, we lost the game. I think that we lost the game was individual mistakes that we did. Also, it's not tactical. It's more the individual mistakes that we are doing consistently, and this makes that the opposition teams score goals and defeat us.
Yang jelas dia bilang nggak ada yang bisa dikatakan lagi tentang Victor. Yang jelas pertandingan ini sebetulnya terjadi karena banyaknya kesalahan individu yang sudah kita buat dan terjadilah kekalahan.
For me, it was a shocking action. Honestly, from my side, I think that is not penalty. I mean, when we put the signal. We had the half time either. I don't think so. No, I don't want to use this as an excuse. No. Of course, that it was a difficult situation because I am not used to all these kind of things. But we can blame this for what happened after. I think we lost the game and we need to take more responsibilities and we need to work to be sure that all these mistakes that we are doing don't happen again.
Sebetulnya insiden itu normal, tapi dia pikir emang itu nggak penalti dan sebetulnya itu nggak merubah sama sekali jalannya pertandingan, nggak merubah situasi pertandingan. Sebetulnya menurut dia cuma memang kekalahan ini terjadi karena banyak sekali yang tadi dibilang banyak sekali kesalahan-kesalahan individu yang akhirnya kita kalah di
normal. I need to understand people is upset, and I have my respect to the fans, to all the bonet, and I put in this position, and I know that for them is a big loss, and all of us we are sad. And yeah, I understand it's part of my job as a coach to also take the responsibility of this, and that's all. From my side, we will try to work and try to address the situation of the team. But I understand the reaction of the fans, but also I am accused. This aggressivity and this is part of the job.
Buat Coach Joseph intinya ini normal ya, karena kita tahu ini kekalahan yang lumayan cukup besar dan supporter kecewa. Tapi ya itu normal, kita bertanggung jawab untuk itu. Tapi yang paling penting dari sisi dia harus coba untuk kerja terus untuk memperbaiki ini dan membuat tim ini lebih baik.
Soal penalti.
Tapi nanti tadi
enggak, sebenarnya kalau soal penalti itu kan kita juga memang tidak penalti ya, dan anak-anak juga sendiri coba untuk tenang diri, untuk fokus lagi, karena memang Coach Joseph juga selalu bilang intinya kita harus tetap fokus, jangan sampai lengah.
We start wrongly, we concede a goal very early in the second minute in a throw-in. But all these goals come from individual mistakes, not from tactics. This is what I am worried, as a coach, I can address when you work tactics and something is not working, I know how to address. But the goals came from individual mistakes, from one throw-in that we can keep the ball and we clear it with the hands. From one easy action that in the midfield lines we have a kick-off, a foul, and the second ball, the second action, we don't defend well. An own goal action that easy pass and we control wrongly. As a coach, I am not used to this. For me, it's not an excuse, but I am used to deal with tactic situations that the team need to improve tactically, but not that we concede goals because we don't defend well at 3 against 1. We concede a goal because we don't control well the ball, because we don't take the good decision. These things, for me now, is first time it happened to me. I came from many years of experience. It's difficult for me because it's not saying, look, I will change this tactic. First of all, we need to improve everybody and not do these mistakes. This is how I feel and it's difficult.
Yang jelas kesulitannya bukan yang dibilang tadi, bukan karena sepenuhnya karena lawan, tapi memang kesulitan itu terjadi di babak kedua karena kita banyak sekali melawan kesalahan-kesalahan, terutama saat kita mengantisipasi throw-in, mengantisipasi second ball, terus bagaimana kita mengantisipasi 3 lawan 1 dan lain sebagainya. Itu lebih pada kesalahan-kesalahan individu sebetulnya ya, bukan karena kesulitan karena lawan-lawan lebih dari kita, bukan, tapi lebih kepada kesulitan itu terjadi karena kesalahan-kesalahan kita sendiri, dan kita coba untuk memperbaiki itu, kita kerja lagi dan kita akan coba terus untuk meningkatkan kemampuan pemain.
I don't blame anyone. I take the responsibility, and I am the coach, and it's my responsibility. But I don't want to blame anyone. But for me, it's a shocking experience because it's the basic things that we are missing. As a professional player, you think that this needs to be solved. It's not something that you think that can happen. These things.
Ya, tapi intinya dia tidak bermaksud menyalahkan siapapun dan apapun itu, cuma dia pikir ini pengalaman pertama, cukup kaget juga dengan kondisi ini, dia kaget juga, tapi dia coba untuk memperbaiki itu terus.
Baik, terima kasih Coach, terima kasih.
Hello Bonek and Bonita, you can follow Kabar Bonek Persebaya. Salam satunya Ali, Wani.